Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you my April bullet journal setup, and it's going to be a bit different what my bullet journal looks like normally. I'm actually adding just a bit of color in my bullet journal. Like normally I don't use hardly any color, it's just black and yeah, that's it. So I'm adding colors and I'm also using stickers. So I created these stickers for April with spring flowers and sense of spring being on its way because it's wintry weather here in Sweden. We're in the middle of March and it's still snowing from time to time, and I'm so looking forward to spring. So I created this sticker to somewhat get into that spring mode. And the color that I'm using is also a soft pink, so it also gives that spring feeling to it. And I'm actually not using stickers that much at the moment because it's a process. I don't have a kiss cut machine like the Silhouette or like the Cricut, and I'm going to buy one, but I just haven't gotten around to it yet. So the way that I use stickers now is that either I print it on a normal piece of paper, I cut it out, and then I use glue to stick it to my bullet journal, or I print it on a sticker sheet and then I cut it out, and I have to make sure that I can peel the back layer off from the sticker sheet so that so I get that sticky surface so that I can, what do you say, stick it to the journal? Oh my god, my English is just getting worse and worse by every year, I swear. But anyhow, so it's a bit of a hassle, so that's why I haven't used stickers a lot lately, but I'm really itching to get back to using my stickers. So I'll be creating more in the near future and adding them to my Etsy store. So when it comes to the April goals page, I'm actually doing the exact same as I did for March, and I really love this layout. I got the inspiration from another bullet journalist, which Instagram account I'm totally in love with, so I'm going to share it here for you if you want to check it out. So the sections are the arrows at the top I will fill out as I make progress towards the goal, and then I'll write the goal just beneath the arrows, and beneath that I'm going to write my why this goal is important to me and what the results will be when I reach the goal, when I accomplish the goal. So the next section is worked on it. So I totally forgot to write out the dates of the month. Either if you go back to my plan with me video for March, there you'll see what it's going to look like. Or if you check out my Instagram account, either way, you're going to find it there. Actually going to write out the dates for April here. And the days that I've worked towards that specific goals, I'm going to mark it in some way. And then the next section is the action steps. So what steps do I need to take to reach the goal? And then we have the habit tracker, which is just keeping track of some habits that I want to do daily. So it's exercise, walking, be creative, publish on Instagram, and meditate. Do you guys find it helpful to have a habit tracker? I find that I sometimes totally forget to fill it out, but I think it helps me to maybe not to keep track, but it's really interesting to see at the end of the month how many days I've done it, or what I did. And on the next page there is the stop and smell the flowers. And normally I guess you would say stop and smell the roses, but I figured I'm not using roses in my stickers. So I decided to write stop and smell the flowers instead. That's a reminder, to stop and relax and enjoy life and not always be go, 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 go. There's more to life than doing and taking action. I think life is about to have fun. And here we have the first weekly of the month. As I tend to do, I've actually made different weeklies for each week for April. I guess I need a variation, I guess. I love creating these spreads and coming up with new ideas. So I often do a different layout for each week. So this is the first one. And if you watched my March Plan With Me video or checked out my Instagram account, you know that during March I actually used all the days to just doodle and to do different hand lettering styles of memories or what happened that day. So I haven't used it as a calendar as such, like writing down appointments and tasks for that day. And so I'm using my days for the memory keeping part. I've used the to-do section for all my tasks that I want to or need to get done. And as always, I try to add a section to add my prioritization or my most important tasks. Either I do it for a week or sometimes I do it per day. It depends on my mood, what I'm into, and how focused I feel I need to be. So I haven't decided yet how I'm going to do in April. If I'm going to do the memory keeping section or if I'm going to use the days for tasks. I really do find it helpful to add tasks per day, so I think I might go back to that. So here we have the next weekly setup. I'm going back to my minimalistic roots here. So when you see me touch the letters or whatever I've drawn or written, it's because I just want to make sure that it's completely dry so that I don't smudge when I continue working on that same page. So I haven't used a lot of colors. I guess this is a lot of color for me. I'm really loving the way this turned out. Both the hand lettering style that I chose, I'm really in love with it. And using just a splash of soft colors and the stickers that match that spring feeling, I'm really loving how this month turned out. On this spread, I forgot that. So you see, I go from Friday the 20th to Saturday the 22nd. So I wonder where the 21st went. So, well, that happens sometimes. Thank God that the next week I actually started with the right dates. So the rest of the month isn't completely screwed up. So. Do you guys also do different layouts for every week, or do you keep the same one over and over? I would be really interested to hear how you do it. Sometimes I feel like I'm so flimsy with always changing my weeklies and the way things look, but I guess that's me. So if you liked the video, I hope you press the like button and the subscribe button. And why not share it with your bullet journal friends if you think they'll enjoy it and find inspiration from it. And also, I would really love to know if you have a kiss cut machine like the Silhouette or the Cricut or any other brand. And if you do, what's your take on it? What's the good, the bad, and the ugly? I would really love to know as I'm about to buy one. I hope you have a great day and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.